What's up everyone, I'm Mike, and welcome back on Top Crypto, and now we're going to talk about another high potential project called LaunchBlock, next gen borderless crypto incubator. But before that, please notice our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational purpose only. So without further ado, let's start. Welcome to LaunchBlock, the decentralized launch pad that gives all users access to early stage initiatives while maximizing the benefits of decentralized financing, DeFi. LaunchBlock is the one-stop shop for all projects launching and users accessing a launch pad, reducing costs and delivering considerable opportunities. LaunchBlock creating blockchain energized, strong technology to assure user safety. Focus on the user. LaunchBlock com requires a simple and easy-to-use interface. Driven by the community. Structure of a DAO-based company. Driven by incentives. The economy fund will be used to assist activities within the LaunchBlock com ecosystem. Interoperability of the blockchain. Constructed on the Ethereum blockchain and compatible with several chains. Play the official LaunchBlock game. Earn rewards to gain access to our LaunchBlock launches tiers. Earn your first tier with our play to earn game. Any community member can play. Multiple rewards, exclusive NFTs, tokens, and more. Breaking down barriers to project involvement for the public by creating a decentralized and user-friendly platform for the LaunchBlock community. The platform allows users to participate in native token sale rounds of projects, depending on their membership tier, at numerous stages that are normally exclusively accessible to venture capitalists, i.e., seed or private rounds. Tiers designed for well-established projects. Tier 1 payload. From the beginning up until exchange listing, plus post-raise support. Benefit from PR, marketing, advisory, influencer connections, and listing services to help catapult the project to success. Tier 2 PRE flight checks. Established and new projects wanting a wider reach that already have traction. Benefits from assistance with social strategy, advisory, user growth tools and campaigns. Tier 3 takeoff. LaunchBlock has no direct involvement with the project. Projects list on LaunchBlock, and after due diligence is completed, the project is launched. Benefits from user base, facilitating IDO sale and exposure into the market. Simple and structured. Distribution of tokens. Private and seed. 5% at IDO, followed by quarterly unlocking for 24 months. Private. 10% at IDO, followed by quarterly unlocking for 18 months. IDO. At IDO, everything is perfect. Liquidity. Released in response to market demand. Fund for the economy. Locked and then deliberately unlocked. Pool of user engagement. Locked and then deliberately unlocked. Advisors and team. Annual growth rate of 20%. Play to earn. When necessary, the lock is strategically disengaged. Reserve for the foundation. Locked and then deliberately unlocked. Exciting future plan. Phase 1. MVP LaunchBlock pad. Integration of the KYC allow list. Compatibility with several chains. Tiers, acquire and secure platform tokens to advance a user's tier. Tokens that are unlocked too soon will be subject to a unlock penalty burn. This is a first come, first served deal. Offer for a batch lottery. The factory will launch one new contract per offering. Claim tokens when an offer expires. Token distribution at the end of the sale. A Telegram bot that corresponds to the LaunchBlock lock user status. Development of dApps. Integration of the MetaMask wallet. Interaction of backend/smart contracts. Compatibility with several chains. Phase 2. Support for multiple chains. Launch Chain 2. LaunchBlock Staking version 1. Bridge LaunchBlock. Third phase. Farm LaunchBlock. Fourth phase. LaunchBlock administration. Play to earn LaunchBlock. Strong team of crypto experts. Kivision Legal. Legal partners. High-profile legal counsel supporting LaunchBlock DAO with due diligence coming to the platform. Matt Lucz, Strategy Advisor. Founder and former CEO of Travala. Common founder and CEO at Hodui. Erhan Korhaliler, Eat Digital. Marketing and Influencer Advisor. Founder and CEO of leading blockchain PR consultancy EAK Digital. Represented projects such as NEO and Acoin, the cryptocurrency founded by international music artist, Akon. Hodui. NFT Partner. Hodui.com will provide a direct market for all NFT and gaming relation products which come to the LaunchBlock pad. Nicholas Merton. DEFI Advisor. Founder of DG Fox and the Data Dash YouTube channel with over 473,000 cryptocurrency subscribers. Justin Barrick. Marketing Advisor. A visionary professional who is adept at combining marketing initiatives with emerging technologies for different stages of the company's growth. And here's a LaunchBlock social media update. $LBP is now open for business at Huobi Global. $LBP will provide you with access to the most exciting initiatives in the GameFi, NFT financing, DeFi, and cryptocurrency space. It's time to lift off. Did you know we're distributing 1% of the entire supply of $LBP? We certainly are. So, what do you have to lose? Please click the link below to get your free tokens. LaunchBlock joined Twitter on September 2021 and now have 13.6K followers. So that's all for LaunchBlock. Come and visit, subscribe, and watch out for another videos here in Top Crypto. Thank you for watching.